Greetings Redlings, welcome to RedRisks. In this short video, I'm going to talk to you about ISO 45001, the Occupational Health and Safety standard, and the tool that I've developed to look at maturity within your organization. Let's dive into the Excel file and I can share with you the background and the structure to the toolkit. So I've opened up the tool and this is it. It's a straightforward Excel spreadsheet. I'm just going to go through it very briefly just to give you a quick overview. As we know, the ISO standard has several clauses and I've split them down into the 7 sections here that you can see as the separate tabs. And if I open up any one of these tabs, for example, section 1, standard sort of approach, same as all the other tools that I've developed, you apply a scoring system to this based upon 1 to 4. You can make your comments in here as you wish. So all you do is you look at the assessment question and then you can pick the appropriate score, put that down and work the way forward. There are some additional bits on this toolkit where I've given some guidance relative to the requirement as per the clause. Pretty straightforward really, just go through every clause up through to section 7, answer all the questions that are in there, and then that will roughly give you an idea of a heat map in terms of where the vulnerabilities are relative to your maturity within the organization relative to the standard. There are quite a number of questions. If you look at it on an average basis, 10 per section, there is 70. I'd say about 80 to 90 questions in here in terms of the actual content that you have to provide. And then it will generate a chart that can be seen on the right-hand side of the screen here. I'm not sure how clear the mouse is, but you can see it. And it gives you a quick overview, quick sort of highlight view as to what's going on. Pretty straightforward. Nothing more complicated than that. If you click on the guidance tab at the front here, that will take you to a little bit of an overview of what needs to be done. You can flip backwards and forwards between heat map views, guidance, etc. and so on. Very short video this one, but I'm sure those of you who've purchased our other tools before, you'll find this an extremely helpful tool in terms of giving you the quick snapshot view as to your health and safety maturity in the organization relative to ISO 45001. Quick one from me to finish off with. If you haven't already subscribed to the channel, please subscribe. We are going to start developing this in a lot more content as we try and explore each of the different sections within the standards. Not just for the ISO 45001, but also the CCPS risk-based process safety framework, the OSHA process safety management framework, and many others. Stay tuned, subscribe, catch you soon. Thanks.